Hello my dear students, in the last video we learned that the meaning of multiplication is a repeated addition. Do you remember that? Okay, you are super students. Now let's learn the properties of multiplication. At first we must know what is the meaning of array. Array is a set of objects, shapes, numbers arranged in some rows and some columns. Okay, with no gaps. So here this is array, here this is non-array, because here I have gaps, here I have gaps. Okay, here choose array or non-array. Here this is array, yes, because I have some rows and some columns. Here this is non-array because I have some gaps. Here this is array because I have some columns and some horizontal rows. Okay. Arrays have horizontal rows and vertical columns. Let's count how many rows here and how many columns. 1 row, 2, 3 rows. I have 3 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Okay. The first property of multiplication is commutative property. Let's learn the commutative property. Here in this array, I have 1, 2, 3 rows. I have 3 rows. Each row has 4 hearts. So 4 repeated 3 times. Okay, so 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals, yes, 12. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Each column has 3 hearts. Each column has 3 hearts. Okay, here 3 repeated 4 times. 3 repeated 4 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals, yes, 12. Super students. Okay, here the answer of 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to the answer of 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. It's 12. So here 4 times 3 equals to 3 times 4. And this is the first property of multiplication. Let's open our booklet. Here I have some peas. Here 1, I have 1, 2, 3 columns. Each column has 2 peas. So 2 repeated 3 times. And here I have, here 2 repeated 3 times. Here I have 1, 2 columns. Each column has 3 peas. So 3 repeated how many times? 2 times. 3 repeated 2 times. Okay, here 3 plus 3 equals, yes, 6. And here 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals also 6. So 2 times 3 equals to 3 times 2. This is the commutative property. And here I have in this column 3 balls. 3 repeated how many times? 4 times. So 3 repeated 4 times. And here in each row, how many balls? 4 balls. So 4 repeated how many times? 4 times. sorry, 3 times. 4 repeated 3 times. Okay, so 3 times 4 the same as 4 times 3. Why? 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. And here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. Okay, so here in the multiplication 3 times 4 equals to 4 times 3. Like the addition, 3 plus 4 the same as 4 plus 3. Okay, and it will be a 7. Okay, now page 51, 49, 48 and 47 you can solve it by yourself. And we have another property in the multiplication. The second property is identity property. What is the meaning of identity property? It means any number, for example 5 times 1 equals the same number. Why? If I repeat number 5 one time, I repeat 5 one time, so it will be 5. Okay, zero property. What is the meaning of zero property? Zero property, it means any number, for example 5 times 0, it will be 0. Why? We said that 5 times 0 the same as 0 times 5, right? If I repeated 0 5 times 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, so the result is 0. Okay, if I repeated 0 times any number, for example 3, so I will repeat it 0 3 times, so the result is 0 also. So 0 times any number equals 0, but any number multiplied by 1 equals the same number, or 1 multiplied by any number, for example 6, it will be the same number. For example here 1 times 6, I will repeat 1 6 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so the result will be 6. So this is a rule. Any number times 1 equals the same number. 1 times any number equals the same number, the commutative property. Any number times 0 equals 0. 0 times any number equals 0. Thank you for listening.